morning, students. I welcome everyone today to Benefit e-learning platform. So this class is basically for those that are in SS2, senior secondary school 2 students. Last week, I taught you angle of elevation and depression under bearing. There are some topics under bearing. So today, we're going to look at examples on bearing proper. Okay. All right. We have example 1 on the board. The question says, from a point on the board, a ship is 5 kilometers away on a bearing of south 50 degrees east, and another is 2 kilometers away on a bearing of south 60 degrees west. How far are these ships? Before we solve this question, please, I believe you have learned the types of bearing in the class. The compass bearing, 3G bearing, and reverse bearing. If you don't have the idea of reverse bearing, there's no way you can handle this particular problem. Alright, so let's look up, students. Hope you are watching. Pay attention. Alright, so what do? You begin to sketch the points. I like to draw the diagram this way so that your eyes can see it clearly. Let's use this side for the diagram. Alright. So, from a point on the port, a ship is 5 kilometers away on a bearing of south 50 degrees east. So let's draw the 4 cardinal points. This is north, this is west, the east, and the south. Are you there? Alright, so what do you represent south 50 degrees east? South 50 degrees what? East. Are you with me? Now, if we have south and east, the angle here is 50 degrees. It's between south and what? East. And this is south, this is east. So it must fall between this place. So what do? If we have south and east, you were taught in the class something about compass bearing. If we have north, east, south, east, or south, northwest, southwest, you start your measurement from either the north or south only. That is about compass bearing. So since it is between south and east, we're going to start from where? From south. Are you getting it? If it is north and east, start from north. So south and east, 50 degrees. Let's say from measure from south to somewhere here. You stop. This is your 50 what? Degree. You now draw a line down. Are you getting it? This is your 50 degree. Alright, so having represented that, go straight to the next one. Write your distance, which is 5 kilometers. So this is 50 degrees, 5 kilometers between south and east. The next one is 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers away on the bearing of what? That's another point. 2 kilometers on the bearing of south 60 degrees west. South 60 degrees west. South 60 degrees what? West. This is south, this is west. Between south and west, measure from the south. Are you getting it? So 60 degrees from here to this place is 60 degrees. You draw it downward. Remember that it is what? 2 kilometers. Are you getting it? So this place is what? 60 what? Degree. Hope you are following me. Alright, so wherever the line of these 2 kilometer ends, we're going to draw another 4 cardinal points. That is the rule. Are you getting it? Then this one also draw another what? 4 cardinal points. This place becomes your north, and this is also what? Your north. Alright, so you now join the two what? The 2 lines. You join the 2 lines. You're going to use the ruler to do that so that you get a perfect what? Diagram. So let's join the 2 together. Let's join them together. Alright. So doing that, joining this one from here to this place. Alright. So what this should do? How far are these ships? So look at the 2 ships. These are the ships. This and this. Because the first ship used 5 kilometers. Let's call it ship A. The second ship used what? 2 kilometers. Let's call it what? Ship B. So how far are they? That is from A to B. The distance. The distance between what? the two shapes, that's from A to B. I getting it? A and that here and B there. So you must get the angle between A and what? B. Angle between A and what? B. This is the distance of A and the distance of B. So the angle between them, we have 60, then 50 here. Sum them up. 60 plus 50, you get what? 110 degree. Alright, so how do we get the distance? You use what's called the cosine rule. Cosine what? Rule. And what's cosine rule there? Yeah, use the cosine rule. Some persons can easily say, let's say, let me go here, A, B, this place become our C. Alright. So this place is our small letter C. Wherever this capital C is facing, which side is small letter? Here is small letter A, because the angle of A is facing this way. Then this side is small letter what? B. So let's generate a cosine rule from this. So we have small letter C squared equal to small letter A squared plus small letter B squared minus 2AB cos what? Cos C. Alright, C is the angle here, this place. Are you with me? So C, small letter C is our distance. Capital letter C is the what? Is the angle. So now say C squared equals, what is our A? 2 kilometers, so 2 kilometers squared plus small letter B is what? 5 squared minus 2 times B is what? 5 times cos what? 110 degree. Are you with me? Please don't forget that this is your B, this is your A. So 2 squared is what? 4. 5 squared is 25. Minus 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 5 is what? Is 20. Into, let's sum this one. Cos 110, use calculator or fourth table. I think cos 110 will give you 0.3420. You get minus 0.3420. That is for what? Cos 110. This is what you get. So add this together. 24 plus 4 plus 25, we have what? 29. Minus times minus, we have what? Plus. Are you with me? Then 20 times 0.3420. By the time you do that, that is 20 times 0.240. You will have 6.840. 6.840. You now sum them all. Sum them all. You get 35.84. That's what? 35.840. So that's our C squared. So what you do? You take the square root of this very one. Square root of 35.840. You get rid of C. So our C, which is the distance C, we give you 5.99 approximately to 2 decimal places. This of this one. So if you are going to the nearest kilometer, you want to get what? 6 kilometers. So the distance between the two sheep, that is what? 6 kilometers. That is from here to this place is 6 what? Kilometers. So let's go to example 2. So example 2, the question is 3 shapes P, Q, and R are at C. The bearing of Q from P is 30 degrees. Q is coming from where? From P, 30. So let's assume this is our point P. This is the north. Q is coming from where? From point P. Alright. So, and it's 30 degrees. So from here to this place, call it what? 30 degrees. So this place is our point what? Our point Q. Are you getting me? So that is the question. The bearing of Q from P. Q is coming from north of where? North of P is 30. Alright. Then having said that, now go ahead for the next bearing. And the bearing of P from R is 300. Bearing of P from R is 300. So P is coming from R. R should be somewhere here. We are coming from the north of what? North of R. P from R. So yes, this distance. They give us the question that distance PQ is what? 5 kilometers, so put 5 kilometers here. Then the next distance, which is P to R, is 8. It's a very long line, but the bearing there is what? 300, so you have to draw a very long line here. So let's call this one point what? Point R. So P coming from north of R, from this place down to this place, how many? Is 300 degrees. Hope you are following. This line of P coming from north of R, all of them must come from north of each other. This from north. Alright, so you now what? Join the lines to what? Together. You join the lines together. So from this place, I'm going to join this to this. Alright, to get the complete what? Triangle. I'm going to use a ruler to draw the 4 cardinal points. Use a ruler to draw a 4 cardinal points because mine might not be straight. Use ruler to draw the 4 cardinal points. So having said that, so this place is 300. This distance is what? 8 kilometers. You can see that 8 kilometers is longer than what? 5 kilometers. That's why I have a longer line here. So let's find the angle between them. So if this place is 30, here will be how many? Here will give us a 60 degree. Hope you understand why 60. Because this right angle here is what? Is angle 90 degree. Alright. So remember that this angle we have what's called alternate angle is Z shape. This 30 degree is alternate one of the angles here. So here will be how many? Here will be 30 degree. That is this place, the Z shape. You are seeing it. This is Z shape. So the angle here, they are alternate to each other. This and this 30. Alright. So we know that from here to this very point is what? Is 300. Are you getting it? From here to this point is what? Is 300. So what do we do? We now say to get this place, that is the end of this place, from here to this place. I believe you are following me. Alright. This angle here, the angle here is alternate to what? This angle. Remember that from here to here is what? Our 300. It lies in the what? Second quadrant. We have first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, what? Fourth quadrant. So to get this place, all of this place, you now say that what? Quickly say 360 minus 300, we get what? 60 degree. So the whole of this place is what? 60 what? 60 degree. Hope you are following me. Alright. So having said that, I want to get this angle, the angle here. We will get what? This angle. Alright, so inside of this angle, you have to look at what carefully. Let's get the right angle. So here, coming down, this one, look at the Z shape. This, and this. Look at it. This, and what? And that. Alright, hope you are following. Okay, so this place is 300. Are you getting it? Alright, so how do I get this particular place? I don't even know it, but yeah, use common sense. So from here to here is 300. Remember that each angle here is 90. So if here is 90, 180, here we what? 270. To get the size of this place, you now say 300 minus 270 will give you what? 30 degree. So this place is what? 30 degree. Are you following? So if here is 30 degree, this place is what? Alternate to this side. Look at this 30. This angle here is alternate to what? This place. So here also what? 30 degree. Are you following? Alright. So the angle between them now, you're going to sum up 30 and 60. 30 plus 60 give you what? 90 degree. And once you have 90 degree, you're going to use what we call Pythagoras what? Theorem. Are you getting it? So this box now, 90 degrees facing this side. Here it becomes what? The hypotenuse. Anywhere this boss is facing hypotenuse, you can call here the opposite or this side. Here it becomes what? The adjacent, because we don't know where the specified angle is. So let's use Pythagoras theorem. Let's call here opposite, and this side becomes what? The adjacent. Here is what? Our adjacent. So this side is now our what? Our adjacent. Are you getting it? Alright. So you apply the Pythagoras what? Theorem, which says that what? The hypotenuse square equal to what? The opposite square plus what? Our adjacent what? Square. Are you getting it? That's Pythagoras theorem. Hope you are following. Alright, so the required distance, which is distance what? The distance Q and R. Where's Q and R? This place, Q and R. Required distance Q and R. Are you with me? Distance Q and R. We are told in the question that distance P and R, from the question, distance P and R is what? Is 8 kilometers. P and R from the question, PR is 8 kilometers. So we're going to find distance what? Q and R. So hypotenuse square equals opposite square plus what? Adjacent square. So we'll now say that what's our opposite square? Our opposite, to take 5 square, what's adjacent? We take 8 square. So 5 square is 25, 8 square is 64. You sum them up together and now give what? 89. So the hypotenuse square, which is the required distance, is 89. Then what's square root of 89? 89 square root to give you what? Square root of 89. We have 9.43 kilometers. But they said to what? 3 significant figures. So that's our distance. This hypotenuse is distance what? QR. So distance QR is what? 9.43 what? Kilometer. The second question. The bearing of R from Q. Bearing of R coming from where? They are coming from Q. So the bearing R coming from Q, not of Q, this place, down to this place. This the bearing that we need. Alright. But if I were you, I'll first of all go ahead to find the rule of this angle here. That is this place. From here to this place. Let me call from here to here what? Theta. Let me call here theta. So theta is facing this side. This side becomes our what? Our opposite. Anywhere the angle is facing, here becomes what? The opposite. Remember, boss facing here, here is hypotenuse. The other side is now what? It's now adjacent, no longer opposite, because here is theta. We're considering here now. So let's say opposite over adjacent is what? Tan. So let's say tan theta becomes, what's our opposite? The opposite over what? The adjacent. So tan theta equals our opposite is now what? Is 8. And what is our adjacent? Is 5. So 8 over 5 will give you 8 divided by 5 will give you 1.6. So we now take the tan inverse of 1.6. The tan inverse of 1.6. So second function, that's a tan inverse of 1.6. Now give you theta equals 57.99 degrees. Alright, so that is this place from here to here. What you need from this place to this place. Are you getting it? Now, from here to here is 30. From here to here is 30 through this right angle is 30. Then from this place to this place is 180. You have to work very well. From here to this place is 180 degrees. That's from here to this place 180. Then of R from Q, that is from R. Okay, from Q to R, this line connecting Q and R. So we need from Q to R this very bearing. So that is the bearing of Q from R. So after that, from here to here is 180. You just go ahead. Here theta is already what? 57.99. And everything here is what? This place is 30. So let's subtract. Everything here is 57.99 and this place is just 30. So let's say 57.99 minus 30 degree. We now have 57.99 minus 30 degree. Now give us what? 27.99 degree. 27.99 degree. That is, this place is now 57.99 minus 30. We get what? 27.99 degree. That is, this place is 27.99 degree. If this place is 30, here we what? 27.99. Because 0 of theta give us what? 57.99. So subtract it from subtract 30 from it, we'll get this one. So, but our bearing is from this place down to the line connecting what? R and Q. That is the bearing of R from Q. Bearing of R coming from out of Q. This knot down to the line connecting this. So we need this place. This place we need. This place is the required what? Bearing. This is the required what? Bearing. Alright. So since this place alone, look at it. Look at the diagram. Since this place is 27.99 degree, this place is the required what? Required bearing. Required bearing. So what do you do? The whole of angle in a straight line is 180 degree. Therefore, the bearing of R from Q is, everything here is 180. So just say 180 minus 27.99, which is equal to what? Let's say 180 minus 27.99. The answer now give you 152 what? Degree 0.01. You set to 3 what? Significant. So approximately because 152 what? Degree. So that is the bearing of what? R from Q. That is this place. Alright. Hope you understand. So go and practice exercise 13.4 and 13.5 in your mathematics concept. Alright, see you next week Monday. Bye bye class.